Imagine having a single tool that can enhance your images, erase watermarks, remove backgrounds, and even batch edit dozens of images, all powered by AI. Sounds impressive, right? Well, it is. In this video, we'll explore how UniConverter's AI tools can make your photo edits faster, easier, and way more professional. Whether you're working on e-commerce photos, AI-generated art, or just want to touch up some old pictures, this tool has you covered. Let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Wondershare UniConverter. The official website will appear right away. You'll also find the link in the video description, which gives you up to a 40% discount. Click on Try it free to download the software. Once it's downloaded, install it, and then sign in using your Google account. This is a complete toolkit that offers almost every tool a content creator needs in daily life. And honestly, it can take your content creation game to the next level. When you click on More Tools, you'll see that there are tools available for everything, whether it's video, audio, or images, all designed to make your workflow more efficient. In this video, we'll be focusing on the image tools. The first tool we'll explore is the Image Enhancer. It can enhance almost any type of image just the way you want. Let me show you how it works. I'm uploading an image here that has low quality. There are several enhancement models available. When you hover your mouse over each model, it shows a short demo of what that model does. Since our image has a face, we'll use the Face Enhancer. Simply click Export, and after processing, the enhanced image will be automatically saved to your device. Here's the before and after. You can clearly see the difference. The image quality is significantly improved. Next, there's the Old Photo Colorizer, which can turn black and white images into colored ones. I have a photo of a cat here that's black and white. I'll upload it and export it, and here's the result. The black and white image has been beautifully turned into a normal colorized photo. There's also an option to restore old photos. I'm uploading one here and exporting it. And again, here's the before and after. It does an impressive job of bringing the photo back to life. Then we have the Image Upscaler, which is something we need almost every day. As you know, most upscaling tools online actually distort the image instead of improving it. I've uploaded a very low-quality image here. Once I select the upscaler, I get options for 2x, 4x, or even 8x upscaling. I'm choosing 4x and exporting it. Take a look. The original image was very low quality, but the upscaled version is sharp, clear, and high quality, without any distortion. Now let's move on to the AI Watermark Remover. The process here is super simple. Upload the image that has a watermark, adjust the brush size according to your need, and carefully select the watermark area. There's also an eraser tool in case you accidentally select something you didn't want to. After that, just click Export. And here's the result. Honestly, you'd never even know there was ever a watermark on this image. Now, I'll use the same process to remove a watermark from an AI-generated image. Even here, the watermark is removed perfectly, without leaving any visible flaws. Next is the AI Background Remover. With this tool, you can remove the background of any image without compromising the quality. I've uploaded a photo of shoes here. I'll click on Image Background Remover and then toggle the Remove Background button. The tool will process the image and remove the background automatically. Now, you can choose any color you like for the background here. There are also some general backgrounds available if you'd prefer to select one of those. For e-commerce products, a few scene backgrounds are available as well. Alternatively, you can click on Custom and upload any image you want to use as the background. And if you don't want any background at all, you can keep it transparent. When you click Export, the image will be saved to your device. Let's open it now. You'll see that the background has been removed in a very clean and professional way, and the image quality hasn't been compromised at all. Now, let's talk about the Batch Image Editor. Here, you can upload multiple images at once and apply various adjustments to them. For example, under the Crop and Rotate option, you can crop all selected images into different dimensions. If you click on Apply Same Crop, it will apply the same crop size to all images. Then there's the Resize option, where you can select aspect ratios for different platforms like Instagram posts, stories, YouTube thumbnails, or even Amazon and eBay product listings. There's also a basic adjustment section where you can adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to perform quick color corrections if needed. In addition to this, you'll find options for AI Enhancer, Background Remover, and Add Watermark, all extremely helpful for content creators. Aside from that, there are some bonus tools as well. There's an Instagram downloader that lets you download images and videos from Instagram in bulk. The Image Converter allows you to change image formats. For example, converting a JPG file to PNG. There's also an AI thumbnail maker where you can enter prompts and generate YouTube thumbnails. Lastly, there's a GIF maker that can turn fun moments from a video into a GIF. All of these tools are incredibly useful for content creators. The download link is in the description. Make sure to give it a try. I'll see you in the next video.